Hey beautiful, so I'm going to show you guys my room update, how I revamped it from some goodies at the dollar store. So this is how it looks before and here's after. The after is such a huge change and definitely uplifts the room mood. It just looks so much better, I believe, than how it looked like this. This was cute and stuff, but I felt like it could look better and it definitely does. So this is how it looked before. I took everything off, pulled it out, and I was like, all right, let's get to it, because this was a long process, you guys, because I had to let the paint, you know, dry, then recoat it, dry. So this is me going in, one coat, boom, 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 getting it done. So I had to paint a couple coats, and then when it was done, I would flip it. Paint, 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 flip it. Paint, 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 flip it. It was a mission, you guys, but it's definitely worth it for sure. The paint I got, you didn't need to prime, you didn't need to like buff it or anything like that. You didn't have to do any of the extra steps. You could just go right in and start painting. So that's what I did. So that's why you don't see me sanding it, buffing it, any of the other stuff, priming it, and me just going straight into painting. You guys, it is done. It's night outside, so you guys can't really see, pero a ver, push it a little so you guys can see. Okay, so it is done. Mira, and there's like so much paint that I gotta clean. Don't even mind that, but it is all done, and then I'm going to decorate it. But it's done, you guys, and it definitely looks a lot better than the previous colors. So I'm glad that I did paint it, even though I was getting kind of scared and I was like, I don't know, maybe I'll regret it. But it looks a lot better white, like it really does. Like it makes the room pop for sure. So let's begin, but first let's just admire how good this looks, you guys. So I'm just trying to plan out how everything is gonna look. So I want to focus just on the two top shelves where I'm going to place things, okay? So first we're gonna go in with this right here. I got the box from the Dollar Tree, so cute. And then inside, like the sunflowers and stuff, from Walmart. This right here, Walmart, $5, super freaking cute, and gives it just enough of a boom. This right here, I got it in Texas at H-E-B on clearance for $6. And then here's some lights. You can get Dollar Tree lights as well, but at the time that I was filming this, they didn't have them. So I got the lights at Ross as well for like $4.99. I just put them in here and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. It gave me like the farmhouse vibes and it just looks so stinking cute. So here are the Dollar Tree lights that I was talking about, just so you guys can see. They sell them, so check them out. Super cute. So now I'm just putting my A. My friend gave me this, so I'm just gonna put it there for the extra little pop. And I love how this looks, you guys. Ooh, it's so cute. So I'm just moving things, checking it out. Like, okay, this looks cute, that looks cute. So now I'm starting to bring, you know, a little good vibe. So now I just brought all my acrylic doors back and just put them right up top, same like how I had them before, but I'm just putting things together. So here is my Dollar Tree goodies. I found these cute baskets and I was like, oh my god, these are so freaking cute. I wanted to go crazy and get a lot, but I was like, no, we can't do that. So I thought it'd be cute to put them like this and like this, so whatever works, right? Okay, I went a little bit crazy when I was at the Dollar Tree, because who doesn't? I got this, it's so cute. And I got these, and I got some flowers because I'm gonna do a do-it-yourself moment. These two, so freaking cute, right? So adorable. So you guys, I got this and I was like, okay, we are going to make a cute little flower rose bouquet thing, you know what I'm talking about, in my candle. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna do it. I am going to do it. This is how I'm gonna do it. But let me show you guys my Dollar Tree haul real quick, because you guys know me, I can never just go in and get one thing. So they had this, and this is so freaking cute for my iced coffee. I was like, heck yes. So they had two cute patterns. It was that one and then this one. This one is so freaking cute. I was like, yes, I have to get it. Then I was like, I have to get one for my hot coffee. Like, I'm just give me a reason and I will give you the situation. Have I used it? No, I have not, but I will, since now I told you guys. But they were so cute, right? And so then I got the hand sanitizer. I had it up on the hand sanitizer. Every time I go, I do grab two, so had to get that. All right, now let's move on to our do-it-yourself flower arrangement. So first we're gonna see if these fit. They did not, so I'm gonna go in with a knife and we're gonna cut it. So once we get it cut down to size, I'm gonna put it in, and now I'm gonna grab the roses to see like how much I gotta cut off. So I measured it, boom, cut it, stuck it in, and I was like, all right, let's see how this looks. Grab another one, do it. And this all is up to you how many flowers you want. I did grab 3 sets, so that's how much it took to get the enough fullness that I wanted. Do you have to do the same colors like I did? No, you could do it your own little twists. You can even bust out the spray paint, paint them gold, whatever you want. So I liked this color, and I was like, I'm gonna do this color. This color is gonna pop for the background. So I have 4 more of the roses, no 5, and I'm gonna stick them all in because it doesn't look full enough to me yet. So boom, this looks full. Like this looks full. I was like, hell yeah, it looks so nice. And the candle, I cleaned it out and I scrubbed it a little bit too hard, so that's why some of the white is showing. Well, it looks clear, so oops, that was my bad. So there's that. And then I'm putting the baskets in because I'm like, okay, this is how I want to put them. They look cute like this. I love that they have these because they definitely really change up the mood in the room. Like, it just looks so nice, and it's so affordable, you guys. Like, so affordable. Oh, and I put those 2 in the milk jugs. So cute. Hey. So I put a candle right here because I didn't know what to put. I wanted to put brushes, but I was like, nah, that's just like too much. So I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? I think it looks so freaking cute. I put some palettes in here. I did change these palettes out because I was like, maybe minis would look cuter, but you can do whatever. I'm putting more like my brown palettes, my yellow vibes, just so that it doesn't throw off the whole theme that we're doing here. You know what I mean? I love it, you guys. It looks so cute. So then I put the eyeshadow palettes. I stacked them differently this time. I just put a box right there, stacked them on top, and then I just put them boom, boom, boom. And it's so cute, you guys. So I definitely revamped the beauty room. Look at it. Boom. For an affordable price. Oh, I love it. I love it. Definitely check out the Dollar Tree, you guys. Oh, it will definitely help you save some money, and especially right now because a lot of cute fall stuff is out, and you just have to go early in the morning and be nice, okay? Because when you're nice, they sometimes give you a little bit info, so be nice to them and they'll let you know like, hey, the drops off are this time and this time. So look at this. This is the before. The before was cute, okay? I'm not gonna lie, it was cute. I was like, oh, okay, like I like it, I love it. But me, you guys, I like change, and I just like how this looks. Those doors on the bottom, you guys can find some at the Dollar Tree as well, but those ones are from IKEA. But anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. This is beautiful. I really love the difference. It really brightens the room, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like more videos like this, definitely let me know down below. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and give me a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!